And ladies and gentlemen, for over 2 months, the Republic Media Network has been relentless in its investigation that has put out undeniable leads, key testimonies and exposed the cover-up. Tonight, the CBI is reopening the Disha link to the Sushant case. The drug angle has become the focus. The Disha connection is being looked at. This is a very critical stage because we are at the edge of a breakthrough. At this point, and to everyone who is trying to do it directly or indirectly, I throw to you back an open challenge. You cannot gag us, whoever you are. We will not be gagged. The people will not be denied access to the truth. Now let's debate.
No scope for a platform. Questions that cannot be ignored.
सुशांत को क्यों नहीं सुशांत को क्यों नहीं आप बताइए आप क्या हर आरोपी को सिक्योरिटी दे रहे हैं?
Persistence that has forced confessions.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ
आपका हाथ
8 हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा क्या 13 तारीख को लोग आए थे?
जो भी हमारे घर पे आए थे ना मैंने उनके बता दिया.
Investigative reports that have exposed the attempt at cover-up. And testimonies that have changed the course of investigation.
Getting justice for Disha was he did he speak about?
He was about to in the morning that when I informed he was about to this guy Sandeep, I have no idea who he is. Mentioned Sandeep like 1,000 times that I have already spoken to Sandeep. I feel like I'm planning after the last strikes and everything, I'll bring everything I know in front of media. I'll have a press conference.
Relentless reporting in the Sushant Singh case has forced the reopening of the Disha case. Bunty Sachdev, Disha's boss from Cornerstone, was quizzed for over 3 hours by CBI. The agencies have solid proof to show that Rhea is at the center of the drug racket.
A chat between Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother Shauvik Chakrabarti. And what are they really talking about? The content of these text messages that were exchanged between the brother and sister. They are talking about marijuana that was supposed to be procured, and in what quantity was it to be procured and for whom?
The evidence is piling up, and at this stage the SSR coverage cannot be gagged because Sushant's family needs justice. Because the drug cartel is being exposed. Because big names are now emerging. Because the Disha link is finally being probed. Because we cannot allow Team Rhea to slander SSR. Because India's biggest campaign cannot be stopped. And the truth cannot be hidden anymore. Let's debate.